Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and happy Apple Day to all. Today we're going to take a look at the iPhone XS Max and the Apple Watch 4, and this is the Cellular edition. Let's check it out. Now guys, if you've just come to the channel for the very first time, we do unboxing reviews, we do tips and tricks, we also do look at a lot of accessories ranging from smart devices to electric scooters to security systems, all sorts of gadgets. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon to get notified of the next video as soon as that becomes available. Also today, we are going to look at the XS Max as well as the Apple Watch 4. We do have in our studios the XS as well, but I think that this is the most popular one, so that unboxing we'll leave it for later since they're going to be identical. And we are going to focus on the XS Max. And then also, this is the Apple Watch 4. So this is the cellular version. We're going to look at it. It basically, to me, of the release that Apple mentioned just a couple weeks ago, I find that probably this is the most exciting, given the fact that it has the most updates to it. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to see how it works. We're going to compare it also in later videos to the watch here that I have from Samsung and see which one you should be looking at. So let's get right to the unboxing.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Alright, so to give you the full unboxing experience, we're going to go ahead and remove the plastic, toss that to the side, and then we're going to slide this up just like this. And move that over, move the Apple Watch, and we'll start our unboxing. So Apple does a really good job with its packaging, and that's no surprise. You know, they really spend a lot of time thinking about how packaging works. So we start from the very top. So here you're going to have disclaimers, all the information about what you should or shouldn't do, safety guides. We'll put that aside. And then what we have here is the iPhone. So here we have our iPhone. This is the Max version, so this is going to be more comparable to the Note 9 in size, slightly bigger screen, and what we'll do is we'll focus on this a little bit later. This happens to be an unlocked version. Over here you have, as with every package, some headphones, and for those of you who are wondering, these are not AirPods, these are the standard ones. That's pretty basic. You do have a charging brick and your charging cable. Remember that if you are looking for the fast charging capability, which this supports, these accessories do not support it. So you're never going to get fast charging out of this brick, and you're never going to get fast charging out of that cable. If you want fast charging, then you're going to have to upgrade the cable and upgrade the brick in order to do that. So pretty much that's all that's in the box. Phone, headphone, power brick, power cord, but these are standard powering devices, not fast charging. All right, so next up is our Apple Watch. Go ahead and open that up, remove all the plastic, and then we're going to open these sides. They open up like this. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing right here. This tab opens up right here, opens up just like this. This kind of peels open. So again, really nice presentation. So you'll notice all the watch stuff going on right here. And what we're going to do is open this right here. So here we have our strap. Put this over to the side. And then here is our watch. Now, this is the 46mm version. I went with the larger watch. Kind of fits more the size of my wrist. And what you'll see here is, again, here you have all your safety information, stuff on configuration and whatnot. We'll go ahead and leave that in there. Don't care too much about that. And then here we have our charging base and our power brick for the charging base. This is all included, so you have the cable and the charging braces all together. Now here we have our watch. Now this is something that I do like, the way this is packaged. I like that it's separate like this. It has this little pouchy, and it makes sure that it's definitely not going to get scratched. And we'll pop this out so you can see what the Apple Watch looks like. And again, this is the largest version, and if we compare it here, you'll notice that it's still a little bit smaller than our Samsung watch. Our Galaxy watch is a lot larger, but this is everything included. And then the big change right here is the way this back is. So this is going to give you some interesting capability that some people are going to love. Other people think that it's going to cause too much concerns when it comes to measuring all different aspects of your heart. So we're going to put this guy back here. Yeah, we'll put it over to the side. And this is what you can expect inside of the packaging for the Apple Watch. Now, for those of you who are interested in what the band looks like, here's our band, and the band does come in two sizes. It has one standard size, and then one that is a little bit smaller. So this is for those of you who have the larger wrists. It comes with this, and for those of you who have the smaller wrists, you can use this. So they all connect here to the side of the watch. They slide in, and then again, give you the ability to interchange the bands based on your needs. So guys, that concludes our unboxing of the iPhone XS Max as well as the Apple Watch Series 4. And again, this is the cellular version that works across any US carrier. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment area. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more cases, accessories, and reviews of these products. See you in the next one.